Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. Pankaj here. So today we will create SLA escalation system in ticket application. Okay, you can create in leave management also. You can create in another application assist management, yeah, another application as well. Okay, so we are creating for now in ticket application. As you know, we already developed the ticket application. You able to view my old videos on YouTube. Just click on this, you able to take action on this ticket. Okay, we already developed this application. Now we want whenever we submit the new ticket, okay, if we create any new ticket, then automatically submit my data here. Okay, so this is my ticket backend, okay, in SharePoint list. So my all data is submitted here. Now I want the escalation. Okay, if ticket is not resolved, then automatically my mail after 8, if high priority, after 8 hours mail go to this mail ID. If it's not solved still, and then after 12 hours it's going to this mail ID. If still not solved, then going to mail on this mail ID. Okay, so same for medium and low category, and here we change the hours. Okay, now and this type of mail, okay, this is a level 3 escalation. Okay, if it's not solved, then automatically mail sent to this one, and it's level 2 and it's level 3. Okay, and here is level 1 as well. Okay, so this is level 1. Okay, so you able to view here all security level breach mails template as well. Now this is our flow we are created, and let me show you. We are creating this step. Once we submitted our ticket, then it's not solved in the timeline, then go to mail 1, level 1. If not solved still, then level 2, and then level 3. Okay, we use here Power Automate, SharePoint list, and Power Apps. Or and not for notification we use here email connection as well. So I will guide you step by step how we create and how we set up all things. And I'm already uploaded the Power Application video, so you can watch how we create the application. If you don't want to create application, just you create your list, and we can link list with this. Okay, so our escalation will automatically send. Okay, and now in the description I will mention the flow link and email template link. Email template links are free. Okay, so these are email template links, and I will share with you free link, and you able to download. Okay, I will share with you also the Power Automate flow link, you able to download directly, and also you able to download the Power Apps as well from the description. If you want to set up, you can just ping me on WhatsApp, or you can send me on mail. So thank you so much in this video. In next video I will explain all things how we create the SLA system in Power Automate by Power Automate and using SharePoint list. Okay, and you can get email alerts, you can get also WhatsApp alerts if you want, and if you want, and you will get Teams alert and SMS, and you can create as per your according. Okay, so we using only mails escalation email alert. So thank you so much in this video. Let me explain in next video how we create this one.